Hi everyone, I'm Cherry with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it is Tuesday Newsday. I've got Becky here with
guys.
me.
Nice to see you
and
guys
of course
again.
we've got Sweet Katie behind the camera.
Hello.
Yeah. So the weather.
Oh my gosh, like I feel like it's like we're under tornado warnings like every other day here in
I
Missouri
know,
right now.
last week was crazy.
It was super crazy, and I don't know that this week's gonna be any better,
No,
but you know,
I
keeps
think
us on
we're
our
in for
toes.
more storms.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Yeah. Well, last Friday we celebrated Chuck's 18th birthday. I
18.
cannot believe it.
Our young little child has grown up into an adult. Like it's so
know.
crazy to think that.
I know, and he doesn't look a day older.
He doesn't. He ages so well.
I
Yeah.
know.
Nope.
That
It was
really
fantastic.
fun. We had Missouri Star Days last week, and that was a lot of fun. Had a lot of activities going on. MSA is coming up.
We
in
talk about a lot of
June.
activities coming up. Like there's
June
lots of things.
10th and 11th, I believe, and tickets are still on sale, guys. Grab a ticket. You don't really even have to have a ticket to come to town and enjoy some of the free demos and things that'll be going on. So come join us if you can.
Gonna be lots of cool people in town. Lots of very inspirational people coming to teach us and to learn us.
Absolutely.
to do
I'll
all
be
the things.
teaching a couple of classes as well, so come take my class.
I will not be teaching any classes, guys.
Jenny's, the Jenny box, we still have pre-sales going on.
Yep.
And
I hear
you
some
haven't-
great things. I don't know what's in the box, but
you
I've
know,
heard
every
some
year we say,
fantastic
oh,
things.
this is the best year, but I'm telling you guys, this is the best year.
Yep.
It truly, truly is.
Yep. Something else coming up cool in May 19th. It's already, guys, we're already going to start talking about Birthday Bash.
Yes,
So
yes.
May 19th, tickets will start being on sale for that. We're also going to announce the awesome theme that this year is, and so be looking out for that too in the next few weeks.
It is going to be so much fun.
Yes.
Oh,
Yep.
I can't wait.
Some big things happening for Birthday Bash
I
this
know,
year. Yes.
I know.
Yep.
So we're back here in FBY, which is
Fabric
by
the Yard. Yeah.
Yeah. And Becky is going to walk us through what happens when somebody orders some fabric, some
Right.
yardage.
So,
take it away.
yeah, so back here in FBY, we're going to print what we call a traveler. We call it a traveler. Katie, if you want to get a little closer so they can kind of see what's on here. We call it a traveler because it actually travels with the cut the entire time until it gets in the box and goes home with you. So this particular traveler, it looks like we're going to be picking some Stonehenge gradations. So let's go do that. It tells me the location on here. Also tells me how much the customer ordered. So let's go grab that real quick.
Okay, all right.
So it looks like we're going to go here to aisle 28.
Okay.
And then I need to go to section 1, which section 1 is down here. Do spot 1,
Okay.
position 11,
Wow.
right? It's probably not as far down. Oh, it's right here. This bolt right
Very
here. So,
systematic.
yes. It's pretty easy to find. And then we're going to come right over here.
So the picker will pick, we'll go find the yardage, and then that person will take the yardage back to their
their
cutting
station.
station.
Yep.
Okay.
And so in this
Okay.
particular order, looks like the customer has ordered 1 yard. So we're going to roll this fabric out here. They always make it so easy, looks so seamlessly and so amazing back here. This is not my normal home. So guys, bear with me if I'm doing something that you think is
That's
crazy.
really pretty.
It is really
That'd be-
pretty. I love
Be
Stonehenge.
a great background,
Right.
or a backing.
All right. Grab my ruler here.
So we hand cut all of our yardage, correct?
Everything that comes in here will be hand cut.
Wow, wow. Do you have any idea how many orders come through in a day?
Typically, they're going to cut around anywhere from like 2,000 to 2,200 cuts a day. So it's a lot, but yeah, it's crazy. They actually can do all that within just one shift. So they're usually cutting a day before shipping it. So usually by the time that the order's ready to ship out, the FBY is already cut. It's already put in our put wall, and it's ready to go. So it's pretty
goodness.
fascinating how fast this can happen.
And does each cutter, I don't know if that's what you call
That's what they're called. Yeah.
cutters, do they have a certain goal that they are trying to meet each day?
They do have a certain goal. So the goal is for them. I'm not being very good about this cutting thing. I apologize, guys.
That's okay.
Normally they would not cut this many times, I promise. But their goal is 20 cuts per hour. So 20 cuts also includes picking the fabric, it includes cutting the fabric, folding it, and then putting the bolt away too. So there's more than just the cutting part
My
of it.
goodness.
So we like to be able to give them a break because otherwise it gets to be a lot on your wrist.
You
and
know, I
on your
came back
shoulder.
here to help a couple of years ago, and they've never asked me back. So
They're probably not going to ever ask me to come back here either. After they just saw me cut this piece of fabric 3 times. So,
oh my goodness.
but then as soon as we get it all cut, then we're going to put it in a bag.
Okay.
This is not even the right size bag.
The small will be on the other side.
Oh, thanks, Katie. Thanks, Katie.
I've been here a few times.
Yeah.
I'm just impressed that I think I folded it somewhat the right way.
Well, it looks like you did.
So we're going to get this guy down in here, tuck this bag in, fold over, and then we're going to apply this traveler straight to the cut. And then it's ready to go be put, what we call in the put wall, ready for the shipping department to come pick it up and put it with the rest of the order.
So is there a specific person that just prints all of these off?
Yes, our managers and our
Okay.
leads will do all the printing for all the orders. They sort them out by aisle. So like we went to aisle 28. So all of 28s are together, and so that they'll hand that whole stack to somebody, and that person will work off that whole entire aisle until all those cuts are done. So that way they're not having to walk the entire FBY floor, the Fabric by the Yard floor, because we
Okay.
do have 58 aisles with bolts in them. 58
Wow.
guys.
Wow.
So
Does that include cuddle? as
that
well?
does include the cuddle. Yep.
Wow.
So there's
Well, this is-
47 aisles just of cotton fabric, and then the rest of it would be all the cuddle.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And then how many cutters do you have working?
I think they
in
have
a
30
day?
workstations. I don't think that they are all manned at one time unless we need, like we have a huge influx of cuts. Probably on a typical average day, there's probably about 15. So
It's amazing to come back here and watch them do their thing.
yeah, it's
you
just-
know,
yeah.
It just blows me
it's
away.
flawlessly done. Like
I
they just
know.
make it look
It's
so
crazy.
easy. And I clearly just really struggled. So I will leave this department in professional hands.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
definitely not mine.
Well, thank you so much for showing us
No,
all
not a
about
problem.
this. It's
You know, my true heart lies with machine quilting. So my life kind of revolves around batting a lot. And we have some new batting that we're offering.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, I actually brought some for us here today. Would you grab that?
just right here.
Yes. So in our Nature's Best line that we have that is actually for Missouri Star, we actually have 100% bamboo now. It's going to be an addition to our 100% cotton and our 80-20 blend. So I'm super excited. Bamboo is one of my favorite types of batting just because of the way it drapes and how nice it feels inside the quilt. Plus, it's so reusable type of product. So it's fantastic. I'm glad that we have bamboo
We
batting
have
now.
a lot of customers asking if we use this. So
Yep.
This is
Yep.
exciting. So.
Fantastic. Highly recommend the bamboo batting if you guys haven't tried it before. I think you guys are going to fall in love with it. So,
Yay.
yes.
Great. Well, is there anything else, anything going on with you?
Oh, it's just summertime. It's time to start planting the flowers in the garden. I like probably even just like 2 years ago, I wasn't much of a gardener, and I kind of dabbled in it last year, and I was actually kind of good at it. So I'm going to try maybe a little bit bigger garden this year. I'm kind of excited.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Well, I think spring has sprung, definitely.
I definitely have the spring
Yeah.
fever.
Well, I'm back in the saddle after my wrist surgery,
Yeah.
and I had some eye surgery this week, so I'm going to be good as new before too
So you're a
long.
brand new woman.
I know, I know. Well, we are so glad that you guys joined us today, and we hope that you have a great week, and we'll see you next
Well,
Tuesday.
Yep, we'll
Next
see you next
Tuesday?
time. Yep,
Yeah.
thank you guys.
Bye-bye.